Most English learners know light as something that helps us see. Sunlight, firelight, a light bulb. But English does something interesting. Light can also mean not heavy. A light bag, a light suitcase. And that is not all. A room can be light. A color can be light. A meal can be light. Work can be light. And someone can even light a candle. So, how did one word gain so many meanings? The answer begins with the oldest meaning. Originally, light meant brightness, something that makes vision possible, something that helps people see. Now notice this. Light makes things easier to see, easier to find, and easier to deal with. Over time, English speakers began using the idea of light as a metaphor. A light color contains more brightness. A light room contains more illumination. Those meanings are easy to understand. But then something interesting happened. The idea of light expanded even further. People began connecting light with ease. A light workload is easier to handle. A light meal is easier to digest. Light traffic is easier to move through. Now notice this. The meaning shifted from brightness to ease, and from ease to less burden. That is where another meaning appeared. A light bag is easier to carry. A light box is easier to lift. Eventually, light became the opposite of heavy. But there is still another meaning. We can say, light a candle, light a fire, light a lamp. Why? Because originally, to light something meant to provide it with light. The verb came directly from the noun. Now notice this. Many meanings of light are not random. They are connected. Brightness, ease, less burden, illumination, all grew from the same central idea. Something that makes life easier rather than harder. That is why English uses light for brightness, for colors, for weight, for meals, for work, and even as a verb. One word, many meanings, one ancient idea.